Gold H4 time frame. Last week, after so many historic news, first it break out, then retest, now up again from key static horizontal resistance 2480. So that big resistance is now your support zone. And last week you saw rejection and verified by Fed official speech. So as long as price trading of this support zone 2480, technically you can say gold bullish. And how high it will go, there is no limit because price is trading near all time high. So your all trading plan must be based on this 2480 support level. For next wave of buying, if sideways correction complete like triangle chart pattern or ABC flat correction, then wait for it to complete, or you can say new intraday sideways range above 2480 below 2550, then wait for this range to complete. But for intraday trader, this is your only technical support zone, you can say only chart pattern, and from this area price is making higher high with higher low, so technically bullish. And all the news channel, newspaper in this world, when you will read news headline, they all must be saying one thing: Fed rate cut and buy gold. But for beginner, more clarity how high price go about 2480 level. If you see gold daily time frame, then this old sideways range breakout, but since retest of this trend line, price is making higher high with higher low, so technical uptrend. Previously 2375 was our support, but now new one is near 2477. This is our new support. So two time price tested, then on third attempt breakout. Now last two daily candlestick testing but closing above 2477 support level. So you can say this is your first technical support level on daily chart. As long as price trading above this level, it is bullish. Since scalper still asks for upside resistance for that possible WXY wave, when price is 38% resistance for first time 2433, you can see how many time price tested this area before breakout. Two big failure before breakout. Now our next resistance is 2511. But after all of those big news, you can see multiple daily candlestick showing rejection on this 2511 resistance area. This 61% retracement last projection. So 2477 support, 2511 is your resistance for intraday scalper, and bullish as long as price trading above 2477. And since gold buyer already front running Fed pivot since 1620 2 years ago, recently 1810, that's been 1 year before election. But after closing about 2500 multiple time on daily and weekly chart, all the people who bought gold 2 years ago at 1620 or 1 year ago before election near 1800, before they buy gold bar long term, which now cost $1 million price, or all the people who buy GLD paper gold for long term at 2500, all of them will be thinking about future, because all that rate cut from Fed is totally priced in. They are giving warning since their June FOMC meeting. Now one more last warning from Fed yesterday, but question is still same, which will drive gold action near 2500. What will be the size of first rate cut? It will be 25 or 50 basis point. Fed did not give crystal clear answer. And you have seen in 2022, same like that this year, gold respond instantly to their rate decision market pricing. So all the economic indicator which will come this week, PCE number quarterly basis, and your job claim. You have seen job claim creating more action than NFP and GDP. All of this indicator will come in one day, August 29. Then more on Friday, August 30, your core PCE, most important economic indicator which decide Fed monetary policy decision, and inflation expectation on Friday. These inflation expectations are totally different. While gold price trading at 2500, say 10% inflation once again. If you see summary of all the economic indicators which will come this week, whether PCE number come high or low, or growth indicator GDP come high or low, Fed have said officially in their speech, if labor market, that means NFP number, come weak, they will do everything they can. That means they will use their full power to support NFP number. More NFP number go down, more Fed will support. After that statement, if GDP number come weak or zero, then what is the point? Because Fed already said they have the support. All these two big economic indicators this week come weak, not a big problem. Fed have confirmed rate cut and more support in future. If come high, then they can influence first cut size 50 or 25. That will create action. And if you make list all the things which are bullish for gold, at the same time you make list of all the demand for gold, then long-term player GLD ETF buyer, they are not buying gold in big way. Maybe demand can return after that statement. If you see gold COT, they are totally mad, and you can say they are max bullish. So more Fed do interest rate cut, more they will be bullish. So last week was historic. There was unofficial NFP news number magically revised down more than 1800k, and immediately Fed say they will do everything they can to support strong labor market. But problem is all the people who buying gold at 2500 long term, after that statement from Fed, after rate cut, if inflation return again, then good for gold, and you can expect total collapse of dollar. If inflation does not come, gold dead, US dollar again reserve currency, nobody can challenge. And Fed Bernanke already have Nobel award to print money and not having inflation. Or after multiple rate cut, if inflation start rising again, the next uptick in CPI, then everyone will have a problem. Fed stop all of those rate cut and gold go to moon more than $3,000. But until that thing happen, inflation totally collapse or rise again, short-term player scalper focus on 2477 first support, 2511 first resistance, bullish as long as price trading above this first support zone. In case gold fly more about 2500, if you see weekly chart only small blue closing, because that statement from Fed was mostly priced in since 2 year and 1 year before election. So based on weekly chart first resistance 2560, based on daily chart first resistance 2511, and support 2477. And now if you see monthly chart, this bottom first rate hike, gold up, this bottom last 75 basis point rate hike, gold up, and in September FOMC meeting you will get your first cut, which can be 25 or 50, which will be decided by economic indicator this week, or you can say next NFP number. But what Fed said last week in their Jackson Hole speech, they will do everything they can to support strong labor market. This sounds same like 2018 Fed put, 2020 coronavirus depression, Trump election, Fed put, 2022 Biden intervention by fiscal policy, Fed put again, Silicon Valley bank run, instant QE response, Fed put again, last year fourth quarter, then December FOMC meeting 3 cut announcement, Fed put again, same thing, Fed officially saying, and now you have closing our 2500. So possibility of recession gone, hard landing gone, soft landing happening. That means economy will grow over time. So demand will grow. Diwali is coming. Number 2, consumer gold market can go mad as long as CPI does not show uptick. If that happen, everything can change. So that's why short term player 2511, 2560 your resistance zone. First support 2477. And if gold continue its sideways correction till official announcement of cut, by the time trend line will be up, so that will be your next big dynamic support level.